Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xiaomi Android phone, and in today's video I will show you on how to synchronize all your Android phone data to Xiaomi Cloud in order to protect your data on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your phone settings. I'm going to click on here, open my phone settings. After you open up your phone settings, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on about phone right here. So when you click on about to phone, it takes you right here. Go ahead and scroll down right here and make sure you go to backup and restore. Then it's going to take you right here. What you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on Xiaomi Cloud. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on Cloud Synchronize. Click on that. Then you have all data right here, such as your photo gallery, messages, contact, recorder, call history, notes, MI browser, calendar, Wi-Fi, request spaces, etc., and Bluetooth as the case may be. For you to back up any of these informations right here to your Xiaomi Cloud storage, what you want to do is to simply tap on it. So it take you right here. Go ahead and turn on this particular button right here. Once you turn it on, then each time you have any recording on your Redmi Android phone, it will automatically back up to your Xiaomi Cloud storage. You can as well back up photos, messages, video, or whatever type of file to your Xiaomi Cloud storage. It is a great way by which you can use to protect your data on your Xiaomi Android phone. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Redmi Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.